we're asked to find the sum of all the multiples of 5 between 1 and 200. Okay? The multiples of 5 between 1 and 200. If we are to look at the multiples of 5, we are going to have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and on and on and on like that. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. So now, if we are very observant, this is actually resulting to an arithmetic progression in which we have our first term and we have common difference. So since we are saying multiples of 5, the first term A, as you can see, is actually 5. So the first term A is 5. Then the common difference, the difference in subsequent entries that are common to all the repeated values, we are going to see is represented as D. 10 minus 5 is 5, 15 minus 10 is 5, 20 minus 15 is 5. So the common difference is also 5. So we have our first term as 5. We have our common difference as 5. Then we need to note something. They said it is between 1 and 200. What does that mean when they say it is between? That means 200 is not inclusive. It is only between. 1 is not inclusive, 200 is not inclusive. Now 200 is our focus area, because if we add 200, it's going to give us a totally different set of answers. But now that we know that 200 is not included, we can try and see how do we get the sum of the terms between 1 and 200. Now, generally for an AP, an arithmetic progression, the sum of the first n terms is given as n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 as written. But now we have a and we have d, but we don't know n. We don't know the number of terms. So how do we go about finding the number of terms? Now, looking at this arithmetic progression, what is the last term for this particular case scenario that we are given between 1 and 200? The last term is given as, the nth term is given as Tn. So for this particular case, between 1 and 200, the last term is going to be 195. Because 195 is going to be the last multiple of 5 before 200. So generally, the nth term is given as a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. And we have a, we have d. So we can substitute this value and use 195 as our nth term so that we can find the number of terms between 1 and 100. So 195 is going to be equal to 5 plus n minus 1. We are looking for n. We know our d is 5. So if you are to open that bracket, it will be 195 is equal to 5 plus 5 multiplied by n is 5n, minus 1 multiplied by 5 is minus 5. The 5 will cancel out each other so that 5n is 195. And if we divide all through by 5, our n we are going to get as 5 in 19, that is 3 in 45, that is 9. So n is going to be 39. Good. So now our number of terms we have gotten, we also know our first term a, and then we also know the common difference d. Let's use all these values and get the sum of the terms between 1 and 200 when we are talking about multiples of 5. So this sum is going to be 39, which is n over 2 into bracket 2a. Our a is 5 multiplied by n minus 1. N is 39. So 39 minus 1 multiplied by d, which is 5. So we can say this 39 over 2 into 2 multiplied by 5 is 10 plus 90. 39 minus 1 is 38. 38 multiplied by 5. Now 38 multiplied by 5, 38 over 2 is 19. 19 times 10 is 190. So we have 10 plus 190. 38 times 5 is 190. So we have this as 10 plus 190. So that will be 39 over 2 multiplied by 200. So 2 can go here, 1, 2 in 200, 200. In 200 is 100. So the sum of the terms will be 3,900, and that is option number C. What we need to note is that we are at these values between 1 and 200, and 200 is not going to be included in that particular scenario. That's all we're going to be having for today is DaveTuts Academy. And if you have found this video useful, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click on the notification icon, like the videos, share with your loved ones, share with your friends, share with your younger ones, share with your relatives, and together let's build academic excellence in students. Until next time, God bless you.